Hello. So the question is, a toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone of the same base radius as that of the hemisphere. If the radius of base of the cone is 21 centimeter and its volume is 2 by 3 of the volume of the hemisphere, calculate the height of the cone and the surface area of the toy and use the value of pi as 22 by 7. Okay. So in the question, it is given that there is a toy that is in the form of the hemisphere and it is surmounted by the right circular cone. Okay. And which the both have the same base radius as that of hemisphere. Okay, so the cone and the hemisphere base radius is same. Okay, so if the radius of a base of the cone is, so here the radius is given like 21 centimeter and here one condition is given. Okay, so while solving the question you have to grab the condition. Okay, so you have to read the question very properly. Okay, so here it is given that its volume is 2 by 2 by third of the volume of the hemisphere. Okay, so what is given? The volume of cone is equal to how much? 2 by 3 of volume of hemisphere. Okay, so this is given in the question. Okay, so what is the volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h, okay, is equal to 2 by 3 into volume of hemisphere is like 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so here we can cancel, like pi is going to cancel from this, 3 is going to cancel from this, and this r square is going to cancel from this. Okay, so what we are getting? H is equal to 4 by 3 r. Okay, so we are getting h equal to 4 by 3 r. Okay, so what is the r? It is a common radius. Okay, and what is the h? It is a height of the cone. Okay, so first of all we have to calculate the h. Okay, so we can calculate the h like 4 by 3 into, what is the value of r in the question? 21 centimeter. So 21 when we put in this, then we are going to get it is going to cancel by 7 times, then it is going to become like 7 into 4, 28 centimeter. Okay, so we have to calculate the height of the cone. Okay, so we can say like the slant height, that is L, is equal to under root of r square plus h square. Okay, so what is the value of r? We already know 21 square. Okay, so 21 square plus what is the height? 28 square. Okay, so after solving, what you are going to get? We are going to get the 35 centimeter. Okay, so the 35 centimeter is the answer. Okay, so now we have to calculate the surface area of the toy. Okay, so surface area of the toy contains the cone, CSA of cone plus the CSA of the hemisphere. Okay, so because we have to calculate the surface area. Okay, so we have to calculate the surface area of whole toy. Okay, so the whole toy is consisting of the cone and the hemisphere. Okay, so the total surface area is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Okay, so while putting the values, like the formula, that what is the CSA of cone? Pi RL plus, and what is the CSA of hemisphere? 2 pi r square. Okay, now we can also simplify this thing, like we can take the pi r as a common, so it will be L plus 2r. Okay, so it will be L plus 2r. Now we have to put all the values, like pi is 22 by 7, r we already know, L we already calculated 35. So when we are putting all the values, okay, while solving, we are going to get the 5082 is the correct answer. Okay, and its unit will be centimeter square because it is a area. Okay, so centimeter square. Okay, so thank you.